Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've forgotten your privacy password for the Applock feature on your Oppo phone, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you step by step to how to regain access without losing your data. Make sure to watch until the end for some extra tips on managing your privacy settings better in this video. First, let's try using the default password. Sometimes the privacy password is set to a default, which could be 0000 or 1234. Just enter this to check if it unlocks. If not, no worries. Let's move to the next step. If the default password didn't work, the next step is to use the email recovery option. When you set up the Applock feature, Oppo asks you to provide an email address for security purposes. Here's how to use it to reset your password. Enter the wrong password 5 times on your Oppo phone. This should trigger Oppo's security protocol and you'll see an option that says Forgot Password at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and then choose Email Verification. You'll receive an email with steps to reset your privacy password. Follow those steps carefully. If you didn't set up email recovery or if it's not working for you, the next option is to answer security questions. You should have set this up when you first activated the privacy password. Just answer the questions and you'll be able to reset your password right away. Alright, those were the steps to recover your Applock privacy password on an Oppo phone. Remember, it's very important to keep a record of your passwords in a safe place. Using a password manager app can also help manage and secure your passwords effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our latest videos.